Riches, mowers, and blowers. Alright, so we got it to pop off. Let's go ahead and take a closer look, see if we can even see down in this gas tank. I see some kind of liquid down there. So we are going to take this gas tank off and drain that out. Let's see what we got. A couple bolts down there, right there. Hold the strap on. So that's what we got there. Let's go ahead and pull these off. Alright, so there is a square nut on the other side that I had to hold. I just used good old pliers. And it was, what, a 5/16 was that. And looks like it's coming right off. So there you go. So now what we got to do is take off the gas line, and we're going to go ahead and replace the gas line. So I'm going to go ahead and take that gas line with me. We'll replace all that good stuff on there, but let's go ahead and take it off. So if we can see in there, the only thing I see in there, and it smells a little bit like bad gas, but I just touched some of it, and it's plain water is what I come up with. Hey guys, so we got the gas tank off, and there was just some water in it, is what I came to find out. So that was pretty easy, and these plastic gas tanks, you don't have to worry about rust or any of that kind of stuff. Alright, we are going to go ahead and remove this whole gas line all the way over to the carburetor. So that should be a pretty easy, simple task. Take these clips off, and then we can get some new gas line and a new filter. So I don't end up tweaking this and then having that leak, I'm going to go ahead and cut this right off and then pull it off. So see how we did that? Just made a little slice on there, and then this will come off, because that's been on there for probably since it was brand new. That way you don't tweak this right here. So there's our gas line. We'll probably have to take that clip off to get it through here, right there. So I'll go ahead and remove this clip all the way off. And then we can pull that through without unbolting this. There we go. Just like that. Now, here's our gas line. So we're just going to take the new gas line and make it the same length as that. With a new filter, just like that red one is fine. Fits in there just nice. Hey, so we're at that point. We got gas tank off. We got the gas line off. And it fired on carburetor spray. So hey, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, get notified every time I put out a new video like this. Riches, mowers, and blowers. Psh. We'll see you next time.